The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is an American nuclear-capable subsonic stealth strategic bomber in development for the United States Air Force, USAF, by Northrop Grumman. Part of the Long-Range Strike Bomber, LRS-B program, it is to be an intercontinental strategic bomber that can deliver conventional and thermonuclear weapons. Named Raider after the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, the B-21 is meant to complement the Rockwell B-1 Lancer and Northrop B-2 Spirit, replace them by 2040, and possibly replace the 1950s Boeing B-52 Stratofortress after that. The B-21 is a flying wing and lambda wing, similar to its B-2 predecessor, while being smaller and lighter. Unlike previous bombers, the B-21 is designed primarily for Indo-Pacific Command operations in a potential conflict with China. It is to carry the AGM-181 LRSO strategic nuclear cruise missile, the B-61 Mod 12 and Mod 13 strategic/tactical nuclear bombs, and conventional ordnance including the AGM-158 JASSMER cruise missile. The bomber emerged from the Air Force's LRS-B program, which began in 2011 and awarded Northrop Grumman the major development contract in 2015. The USAF aimed to have the aircraft in service in the mid-2020s. By 2021, that date had slipped to 2027. The B-21 is part of the effort to modernize the nuclear triad of the United States, along with the LGM-35 Sentinel intercontinental ballistic missile and Columbia-class submarine. The B-21 is expected to double the U.S. nuclear-capable bomber fleet from 60 to 120. As of 2025, many aspects of the B-21 Special Access Program were still highly classified, though some information has been made public since 2015. The first B-21 aircraft was unveiled in December 2022 at Northrop Grumman's production facilities in Palmdale, California. The first flight of a B-21 took place on November 10, 2023. Two other B-21s were in ground testing by September 2024, and a second B-21 took flight a year later. General characteristics: crew, 2. Length, 54 feet, 16 meters. Wingspan, 145 to 155 feet, 44 to 47 meters. Empty weight, 70,000 pounds, 31,751 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 180,000 pounds, 81,647 kilograms. Power plant, 2 times Pratt & Whitney PW. 9,000 non-afterburning turbofans, 27,000 pounds force, 120 kilonewtons, thrust each performance. Maximum speed, Mach 0.8 plus 850 kilometers per hour. Service ceiling, 50,000 feet, 15,000 meters. Armament. Hardpoints, 1 times main weapons bay with a capacity of 20,000 pounds, 9,100 kilograms. Weapon load, missiles, AGM-181 LRSO, AGM-158 BJASSMER, AGM-158 CLRASM, citation needed. Bombs, JDAM family of munitions. Cost. The U.S. Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 B-21 bombers. Program costs are substantial, while the target unit procurement cost has been publicly discussed in the range of hundreds of millions of dollars, adjusted for inflation, though exact figures vary depending on what's included. Current status. The B-21 has been officially unveiled, begun flight testing, entered low-rate production while testing continues. Many technical capabilities remain classified, and the aircraft has not yet reached full operational deployment. What makes the B-21 different? Compared with the B-2, improved stealth, easier maintenance, more digital systems, better networking with other military assets, designed to adapt more easily to future technologies. Interesting facts. The B-21 is considered one of the most secretive military aircraft programs in the world. Only limited views of the aircraft have been released publicly. Many of its capabilities remain classified. It's expected to serve for decades as a key part of the U.S. long-range strike force. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.